Hey everyone, this is Joel Swoon Swagger. For this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily mark your favorites from within the gallery, and also how to walk you through how to purchase prints and or digital files if you want to buy some absolutely beautiful prints, professionally printed paper products from this gallery. So once you have your gallery up, as you scroll down and you see something that you like, so I'm just going to use this gallery as an example. You should see like this. If you hover in the bottom of each photo, you're going to see these different icons. First one is to mark your favorite. One is to add this particular photo to your shopping cart. And this one is to download the digital file. So I normally set up a certain number of digital files for each of my client, depending on the package. Um, and this one is to share it to social media, Facebook, Twitter, or Pinterest. So right now I'm just going to show you how to mark your favorites from this homepage. So I usually do is just hover the star, and then as you can see, there's a little star right there that marks it as one of your favorites, and you can mark any or all of your favorite to your heart's content. So I'm just gonna quickly just mark a few here. Uh, there, and then this one, and maybe here something more horizontal, just to show a little bit of variety. There. Okay, so here's just a handful of shots that I marked as favorite, and you can clearly see here that you have six favorites. So click that, and you can see all your favorites that is separated on this page alone. And from here, you can purchase the prints, or you can share them, and you can even do compare two photos if you like. It's something that's maybe you want to see if two photos that look alike, and then you'll see which one is your favorite. So and just hit the exit compare mode. And if you want to buy all these prints that you marked as favorite, you can just hit the buy all. And here you can look at choose which sizes you want. You can choose luster, glossy, or metallic. Uh, Personally, I like the metallic because they're really cool and they stand out amongst your traditional print photos. You can also purchase individual digital files. You can buy individual digital files, or you can purchase the entire gallery in their full size resolution. You can print them out to your heart's content anywhere from 4 by 6 or wallets all the way to like 30-inch by 40-inch photos. So fill up your wall. Um, you can also purchase canvas, a museum quality canvas prints for me, and you can also purchase metal quality prints, which is again personally my favorite because they do stand out. And so um, that's it. And from here, you can just uh, go back, and if you want to buy them all, you just again just hit the buy button, and then just select which one you want. And if you want to purchase six of the prints right here, or you can and add the cart, and then you want to buy another item. Say you want to go with the 8 by 12s. Um, and there, so you have your cart right here. And if you want to check out, or you want to go back to add more prints, you're more than welcome to. Just hit the OK button. And if you want to, or if you want to buy everything on this gallery, you can. Um, so let's say 5 by 7. So you can buy 5 by 7, one of each, or you can buy two. It's totally up to you. So, uh, one copy of each of the photos on this gallery. And so order as many as you want, digital or print in any size. So if you have any questions, do let me know, and I'll be happy to help you out. and enjoy viewing your photos. And don't forget to share your photos with all your friends and family. And thank you so much for working with me on your family photos. And have a great day.